Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Melina with Me Crafty Scrapper on Instagram and here on YouTube. I wanted to share with you today a package that I received. So I've just taken it out of the envelope that it came in. I have not unwrapped it. This is from Cristina'S Leather, and she is in Portugal. And when I order Traveler's notebook covers, she is my go-to shop. I love her work. It's all hand stitched. It's all put together by hand. Her work is wonderful. I cannot say enough about how great her Traveler's notebooks are. And she does wallets, purses, bags, you name it, she does it. Hobonichi covers. So if you're looking for somebody to make you a custom Traveler's notebook cover, she is the person to go to. And I will list all of her information in the description box below. She does not have a website, so I will tell you how to get in touch with her and everything. I will leave that in the description box below. So here we go. This will be a little noisy in the very beginning because I'm going to get it out of its wrapping. But I wanted to unbox it with y'all and let you see the gorgeousness that is Cristina'S Leather and what I just purchased from her. So this is the envelope that it came in. I'm going to put that off to the side because it's got addresses on it and stuff. All right. So to weatherproof it, it's wrapped in like a cling wrap. So here goes this noise. Okay. And then she always includes some little doodads, and some of it's bookmarks and some of it is just samples of her leather that she has. Oh, that is so pretty. And she just gives you a little remnant just so you can have it. And then I believe she makes these bookmarks herself. Look at that stitch work around that leather. That is so pretty. And then a little key fob. I love it. Thank you so much, Cristina. This is her info, her card. And I will also, of course, leave her information down below and how you get in touch with her. She always does a little handwritten note thanking you for your purchase. And here goes the wrapping around the Traveler's notebook. I think I will actually even keep that string because that's kind of like baker's twine. I love that. She always has such great little wrappings around the actual Traveler's notebook. Okay, so we've got some butcher paper. So here goes this noise. Oh my. How pretty. Okay, so let's start on the front with it closed with the elastic on. Okay, so this is a standard Traveler's notebook with a 2-inch spine. And I got her to do a different leather color and texture for an exterior spine. And like I said, she does all of the stitch work herself by hand. And this is a marbled type leather that is the body. And then there is her You can barely see it with this because it is black. There is her emblem, her little owl head there. I have done an unboxing of one of these before. Let's see. It was probably one of my first one, probably the second one that I ever ordered from her. I did an unboxing. And then I've also done a Traveler's Notebook flip through of the little, the tiny one, passport size or field notes, one of those. I did one of those. It's one of my most popular videos. So that was one of hers also, and I mentioned her in there. But this one is black with white stitching and then black elastics. And the marbling on that leather is so pretty. And I know that the camera is not picking up on all of that gorgeousness, but it is so pretty. Okay, then I ask for, and you customize it any way you want. You send her a picture and ask her if she can do it. And she's like, yeah, I can do that. So I told her I wanted the full pocket on both sides, but I wanted them wavy. And I got it. I told her I wanted a pin loop. And I wanted it in the body leather. And I got it. I told her on the long pockets, I wanted it the spine leather. And I got it. Then I told her I wanted 2 card pockets. And then the bottom pocket, I wanted it see-through so that I could put either my Avon card or, you know, some kind of business card I could put there, because I plan to carry this one a lot. But, so I got my 2 card pockets, and they are in the body leather, that marbled body leather. And then, see this one? And I will put her card down here so that you can see. Once there's a card there, you can't see the stitching on the bottom of that one card pocket. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. I love it. And then I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elastics. So that's going to carry a lot of Traveler's Notebook inserts. And I wanted to see, I've done a video on this. This is my faith journal, scripture writing. And it's on happy planner rings. And I wanted to see, just by chance, oh goodness, I am so happy right now. Okay, so I wanted to see if just by chance it could fit in this, because this is a standard extra wide. I ordered extra wide. She does standard wide, and then she does standard extra wide. So I got extra wide just in case, to see if I could put that in there. And look at that, y'all. Now it does just a little bit. I'd have to get it worn in really good. But look, it fits in there, so I can carry that. So see, you can, when you have the long pockets like this, you can utilize those if you're not carrying a Traveler's Notebook insert. Like this one. See, so this is, if you are not familiar with Traveler's Notebooks, I'll just show you real quick. You find the middle, and so you just keep building until you have 6. And there is a way to even add more than 6 if you want to. And you just keep building. until you have all your elastics filled, and then that would be all filled up with Traveler's notebooks. But that's how that works. If you are not familiar with Traveler's notebooks and covers, put this back up. But anyway, I wanted to share this unboxing with you guys because I love sharing with y'all. And anyway, like I said, I will leave all of her information below. I'm just giddy over this. How beautiful it is. Oh, I can't wait to fill it up and make her all chunky. I love it. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much, Cristina. I love it. Absolutely love it. And that wide spine is going to allow me to add so much to this and get it very, very chunky. I love it so much. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below and I will do my best to answer it for you. And like I said, I will leave all of that in the description box below so that you can contact her and you can order yourself your very own Cristina'S Leather Traveler's Notebook cover. And I will tell you this, she is the most reasonably priced company ever that I've ever ordered from that is truly, you know, a real Traveler's Notebook cover. Best reasonably priced, even from Portugal. So reasonable. I love her prices. Her prices are amazing. Anyway, I'm going to go and fill this up and get it all chunky and stuff. So I will talk to you guys later. Have a great day, y'all. Bye.